A 2022 Lexus RX350 key fob. This is how you open it up to replace the battery. It's pretty simple, okay? So on the left side here, it says push. We're gonna push the very top of it, hold it down with our thumb, releases the emergency key. So with the emergency key out, there's a slot right here that we're gonna put our flathead screwdriver in, and we're gonna give it a twist. Okay, and that just allows us to open the remote up without damaging it, okay? Now when you do this, you want to do it with the buttons facing down, all right, because all this can come falling out. I'm gonna hold on to it and just pry the battery out from the bottom like that, unclip it. Battery size is CR2032 battery, positive sign facing out towards us. Put it in like this, snap it in like that, all right? If you need a battery, check the description box. It'll have a link takes you to Amazon where you can pick up another Panasonic battery, exactly the same size. You get 2 for $4, so check that out. Get the cover, line it up as best you can, like that, all the cracks and stuff like that. Start at the top, work your way down, snaps together. The emergency key goes in and locks, everything looks great. You're all done. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me and leave me a comment if you could. And I hope to see you again in another Lexus video.